In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to get back all devices and printers shortcut in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together and then that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please wait until it would be set for you before we proceed to the steps. Once ready, navigate to the left side and locate where Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And here at the settings, you need to proceed with this option called devices. Click on this one. And here at the devices settings, you need to scroll down on the list, okay? And proceed to the very bottom side of that. You can see there are more devices and printer settings. Click on this one. And the moment you've clicked on it in a few seconds, you would be able to bring up a new window which contains the devices and printers. Okay. Now here you would be able to see the devices and printers and first you need to adjust or make the window smaller first. Okay, and once you have the adjust the size, close the settings and the moment you have closed it, just have to remain these devices and printers open. So in order to get back all devices and printers shortcut, all you need to do is you need to proceed to this icon. Okay, you can see this one. Just have to make a right left click. Okay. And the moment you make a left click, press and hold it and just have to drag your cursor here, okay, at the desktop and then release it. Okay, and eventually you have just successfully created the shortcut for the devices and printers. In this way, you have successfully get back all devices and printers shortcut in Windows 11. So by that, you can now adjust the size again and make that smaller, I mean bigger, sorry for that. Okay, adjust the size to the normal size and then close the window. And there you have it. You have just successfully get the devices and printers all the shortcut here in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.